Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Bring 1 cup, 240 ml of water to a vigorous boil on medium-high heat. This drives out flat flavors and prepares the water to extract tannins. Measure 5 teaspoons of loose black tea or 1 tea bag per cup and keep it nearby. Prepare the milk replacement by combining 2 tablespoons milk powder with 60 ml hot water and whisking until smooth. That creates a creamy concentrate equivalent to roughly 1/4 cup of liquid milk for a single serving. Add the tea leaves or tea bag to the boiling water, immediately lowering heat so the liquid simmers gently. Brew for 3 to 4 minutes to extract balanced flavor without excessive bitterness. Remove or strain the leaves, then reduce heat to low and pour in the 2 tablespoon milk powder concentrate. Allow the mixture to come back to a gentle simmer and cook with the milk replacement for 30 to 60 seconds so proteins dissolve and the tea takes on creamy color and body. While the tea is hot, stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons sugar and taste. Adjust sweetness as desired because milk powder can taste slightly sweet already. Pour the brewed tea through a fine mesh strainer into a pre-warmed cup to catch leaves and any undissolved milk powder particles, ensuring a smooth texture. Serve immediately so the beverage remains hot. To reheat later, warm gently on low heat and whisk briefly to reincorporate any separated milk, avoiding boiling, which causes bitterness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.